So that's my regular coffee stop every morning. Nice and handy, easy to park. I usually park way away in my normal car, but in this it's quite easy to park because you can, even when there's one space in the middle, normally I can't get out of my car, but with this you can park right in the middle and it's fine. Now the exit from Starbucks is unfortunately on this road here. That's a 50-mile-an-hour stretch, I suppose. Going left here or coming in from that way, it's mostly 30 miles an hour. I have got, or Webasto very kindly have sent me, I think it's an Airtop 2000C to try and fit to this car, because at the moment I've got the heater on full blast. It's just about cleaning the windows or clearing the front screen. I've had to wipe the windows with the leather. You can see up here the pan roof is all steamed up. It's not easy to see out of that. And this is the main road into Preston. There's no way I can avoid these. They're right the way across the road, and the road is uneven. So it's not like I'm trying to find potholes. I can't get away from them. There's a trench which has been dug all the way up here and filled in badly. So it's not ideal. Just knock that off. I'm going to take you through town. We can go through town up to 11 o'clock. It's only 20 to 10. Otherwise, to get back to my house now, I basically have to go past it, up the next road, over a flyover, come back on myself, turn left, go down the side street, try and join the road, and then go down another side street to get home. So it takes me what's normally a 15-minute journey in rush hour is taking me about an hour and a half. Everywhere you go, there's speed bumps, which are rather unpleasant. You have to virtually stop. And here we're coming up to one now. You saw that Golf there. Just watch this one, how There you go. How much that dips. So the Ami's top speed here at 28 miles an hour is at least 18 miles an hour faster than I can go. The good thing is that if I want to charge my car in Preston, there is more parking Gestapo patrolling the streets than there are shops for the customers, or customers for the shops rather. But up here on the left you can see all these double yellow lines, double yellow lines, double yellow lines, electric cars. There's charging points for electric cars. Oh, there is one actually charging. There's an Audi there. But normally, when you come into Preston, there's nowhere to park. If you're 2 minutes over, you'll get a ticket. But at least you can come in, put your car on charge there, and you don't have to pay for parking. So effectively, your charge has cost you nothing. It's saved you parking fees. You can see it brings a smile to everybody's face. This is the main road through Preston town centre. You see the potholes here. Honestly, the council should be absolutely ashamed of themselves. The main road. Down to 31 mile range. I've come home from the garage once, gone back to Starbucks and come back again. It's a lot better in the warm. Here we go. To get back to my flat now. I mean, just how stupid are people? I wouldn't get through there in my Range Rover. Again, perfect for this. I'm not comfortable driving with the windows steamed up like this. So the heater that Webasto sent me, with a bit of luck, I was going to do it myself, but Lancia Leisure motorhome conversions. They want to do it for me, and who am I to say no? But we'll see. And that's it. That's it back home. As far as range anxiety goes, it is very, very strange. My girlfriend, I was going out with my girlfriend the other day, and she said, your fuel light's on. And I said, oh, there's plenty in, don't worry. And I get in this with a full charge, and I'm already worrying. But that's Motor Traders for you. So, mostly ideal. And then, right in the corner, away from everybody else, where nobody can open the door into my little Ami. That's it. So thanks for watching. Bit of a moan. Not happy with that door, to be fair. I don't know. Check your Ami and just watch out for cracks on, because the door, of course, is an integral part of the vehicle. As far as in some VWs, there's a little bar comes out of the door and locks into the sill to help in crashes and rigidity. And this is just held on to these square bars, and if it is flexing like I think it is, I don't know. There's no answer to it apart from softer suspension, bigger tyres, lower air pressure in the tyre, but none of that's going to work. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.